Hello everyone, I'm Aaryan Purohit, currently pursuing Bachelor's of Business Administration from Poddar International College. And I'm super excited to share that I have recently won a district level debate competition. But this accomplishment is not just mine. It is actually the incredible support and guidance of my college, especially the Training and Placement Club. The regular training sessions that I took helped me to transform to my best version. I was able to identify my weaknesses and actually work upon them. I was also able to highlight my strength to my greatest advantage. My mentors at Poddar International College believed that confidence get instilled in me, shaping me the best version that I am today. The various inter and intra-collegiate events organized by my college helped me with a perfect exposure to shine and also to enhance my skills. I'm deeply grateful to Poddar International College for this journey of growth and learning. Thank you so much for all this encouragement, and I promise that I will continue to make Poddar International College proud.
Poddar Group of Institutions